Should you hire a Social Security disability representative to help you get approved? Brian Terrian here from the Disability Digest, and I am a Social Security representative. So I want to give you my perspective. I've been doing this work for 2 decades. We serve 193,000 people here at the Disability Digest. I've seen lots and lots and lots of situations. And my framework that I want to share with you is that I don't believe people should have to pay for legal advice to get their disability benefits. It just has been my position since I started doing this work. As a result, we offer a disability approval course. And I have others that are prominent in the industry that have contributed. And it's a step-by-step videos, tutorials, what to say and do. And literally thousands of people over the years have used that to get approved. And that's wonderful. That's what it's there for. But is it for everybody? I'm going to say no. Is it for everybody at every stage? Definitely not. So these are a few things I want to share with you from my perspective. First of all, I would encourage you to really think about what is important to you. The reason why people don't get a representative is they want to save the money. Totally fine. That's why the course is there. Some people go hire a representative thinking that they're going to get approved faster, but the representative doesn't do everything that they really should be doing as a full service representative to help you get approved. So how do you solve that problem? We have a disability approval course. You come in, you look at it, you understand what the other experts say should be done, and you hire and you manage your representative based on that criteria. So don't just hire somebody and check the box and have a set it and forget it, because that could be a catastrophe. They could sit on your case and let the back benefits build up. Um, Now, the other thing is that you have to consider your condition. If your condition is such that um, it's better for you just to focus on getting well, or your condition doesn't allow you to have the mental clarity to manage a case, even with a course, or you don't have an advocate that can help you, then you should really consider those factors and helping you. Because if you go back to the 1.9 million people apply, 487,000 get their benefits, many of those people in there qualify. It's just they've either quit, they didn't communicate properly. There's a combination or something's going on there. So don't let that happen to you. So if you're at the higher levels, let's say you've gone through your initial application, and it got denied, then you're subject to a reconsideration and a hearing. At those higher levels, the need for a representative, in my opinion, significantly increases. You can do the reconsideration on your own. We teach you how to do it in the disability approval course, but the approvals statistics are so low. It's 11.7% nationally, and you've likely done something wrong in your initial, or they didn't understand it. So you have to weigh that in. That would increase the favorability of getting a representative. If you plan on going to a hearing, or have to go to a hearing, then I would strongly suggest that you don't go alone. The language that goes on in there and the flow of information exchange between the judge and the representative and the vocational rehabilitation expert and the regulations. I don't do court cases. I have experts that many of them you see in our live events because there's such a high level of competency that's required. You need to do a lot of these to get good at it. And you're dealing with your income. I mean, these benefit packages, yes, they have their monthly check, but what people don't realize is what's the overall value of your disability benefits. And according to Charles Hall, who runs a blog in this industry, it's $447,000 is the average value of a disability benefit package. So do you want to roll the dice on that? That's up to you. I hope you found this helpful in your perspective. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Did you get approved on your own? Did you hire a representative? Did you use our course to get approved? Either way, here's what I want to leave you with. Here at the Disability Digest, we have a membership that's no cost. And if you're a representative or want to use a representative, you can come in, encourage you to get involved in the course, speak to an advocate. They'll understand your situation, get you into the right segment of the course, and you can use that course to understand the process and manage your representative. And if you're looking for a representative, it could be possibly us or somebody that we know that does our live events with us. That could be a fit for you. You could at least have the opportunity to explore that. So however you go about it, I just want you to do it right so you can get approved and get what you're entitled to. All right. As always, I wish you a great day. Stay tuned for more.